Scenario 1, out of battery. If your shade moves just a little and then stops with a beep when you press the remote, it's usually a low battery issue. Just recharge the motor, and it should work normally again. Scenario 2. Shade not moving after pressing the remote has power. The remote and motor may have lost pairing. How to pair them again? 1. Select the channel you want to control. 2. Press and hold the SET button on the motor until the shade moves back and forth. 3. When you hear the beep, press P1 within 10 seconds. The shade will move again. Pairing is successful. Scenario 3. After pairing, the shade still won't fully open or close. No beeping. You'll need to reset the travel limits. 1. Press and hold P2 for about 5 seconds until the shade moves back and forth. 2. When you hear the beep, press P1. 3. The shade will move again. The travel limits are successfully reset.